Hare Krishna. So this brings us to the 5th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga, Action and Krishna Consciousness. And here, in all throughout, Krishna will be dealing with the amalgamation or samanvay of what we have learned in 3rd and 4th chapters. The first verse starts with a query by Arjuna. Arjuna has a doubt. What does he say? Arjuna uvacha sanyasam karmanam Krishna punar yogam na shamsasi yachreya etayorekam tanme bruhi sunishchitam. He says, O Krishna, first of all you ask me to renounce work, and then again you recommend work with devotion. Now will you kindly tell me definitely which of these two is more beneficial? So we see Arjuna going through a same perplexity in the 3rd chapter also. जब कर्मयोग की शुरुआत हुई थी, हम देखते हैं in 2nd verse, in 2nd chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has told about Jnana Yoga also, which he terms as Buddhi Yoga, and he has told about how work is also very important. So we see in the 3rd chapter, 2nd shloka, Arjuna had asked, Vyamishreneva vakyena buddhir mohayasiva me tadekam vada nishchitya yena shreyoham apnuyan. Arjuna had said, oh, you tell me to use Buddhi Yoga, which means cease work. You tell me about, oh, you should work also in Krishna consciousness. So आप मुझे बुद्धि योग के जरिए कर्म न करने के लिए भी बोलते हो, आप मुझे कर्म करने के लिए भी बोलते हो. Yes, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. So Arjuna is perplexed. And that's how Krishna begins with 3rd chapter as a, what do you say, इस क्वेरी को आंसर करने के लिए 3rd chapter आता है. उसी प्रकार से with 4th chapter also we have seen in 4th chapter in 33rd shloka, 42nd shloka. In 42nd shloka, last, Krishna had said fight. Yes. Atishtha uttishtha. Yes. Do get up and fight. Whereas in 33rd verse, he had said Shreyan dravyamaya yajñas dana yajñana yajñat parantapa. Better than dravyamaya yajña is jnanamaya yajña, which means to know about God. अब भगवान के बारे में जानने का प्रयास करेंगे तो कोई लड़ेगा क्यों? कोई लड़ेगा ही नहीं. और अगर कोई लड़ रहा है तो उसके पास फिर ज्ञान संपादन करने के लिए समय कहाँ है? So Arjuna has a query. He says, oh, tad ekam vad nishchitya yat shreya etayor ekam tanme bruhis nishchitam. Shreya. We see this word coming very often in Bhagavad Gita. Shreya, ultimate good. Ultimate good कहाँ है? जब तक हम ये नहीं सोचेंगे, तब तक हम spirituality को कभी भी appreciate नहीं कर पाएंगे. Spirituality is never a short-term goal. Spirituality is always a long-term goal. जिसका result शायद मुझे आज न दिखे, लेकिन इसीलिए उस पर श्रद्धा चाहिए, उस पर संशय नहीं चाहिए. यही हमने पिछले कुछ श्लोकों में देखा है. So a man is always supposed to be driven by what is ultimate good rather than what is circumstantial good. So इसलिए Arjun makes it a point. I'm perplexed. Please tell me what is ultimate good, and accordingly I will follow. Yes. Krishna has said ultimately all the yajñas do finish in jnana yajña. Yes, ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. लेकिन लास्ट में भगवान ने बोला आप उत्तिष्ठ आतिष्ठ, आप फाइट करो. So Arjuna's query and Krishna's answers will follow. Please do be with us. And today is the second last day that the quiz link will be on today and tomorrow. You have time. Please do get connected, please do answer, please do prepare and encourage others also to do so. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna